सुरेश जी लखोटिया से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि रघुराम जी शेट्टी को एक स्वागत चिन्ह देके सेट। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट एंड आई एम श्योर हम सब एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को आपका फायदा होगा। थैंक यू सर।
We want to have 2 words from DGM Saab, if you give the permission to me.
Good evening. Suresh Lakhotia ji, all the who have various industries groups and other startup participants who have participated here. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer for giving SBI an opportunity to sponsor this event. Apart from sponsoring, we also tried to, my team has come here and tried to do their best with the startups, and I understand they had a very good interaction with the participants, and I told them that within the available time it will be very difficult to convert certain things, but definitely they can know each other, exchange their card. Whenever there any support is required from State Bank of India, my colleagues will be always be there. Once again, thank you.
Thank you.
Somebody else, whether it is for marketing or for getting some of his own raw materials, etc. थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताइए।
In Karnataka state there is a Lokapur, Bhagalkot district, वहाँ लाइमस्टोन होता है, लाइमस्टोन का माइंस है वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ लाइमस्टोन चूना बनता है, लाइम। Lime is using in various steel industries and sugar industries and casting industries. So we are manufacturing lime and supplying to that industries, sugar or steel industries.
Okay, thank you.
Good evening. I am Sunil Lakhotia. I am belonging to SR Group. Suresh Lakhotia ji is my elder brother. We are in same line. We have a unit of same line manufacturing in Hospet, it is Bellary district of Karnataka. That area is totally steel belt area. Many iron ore mines is there. We are set up our plant with tie-up of Mukund Limited, and we have some agreement with them. And lime is one of the necessary elements. If we are not able, or if steel plant if not get lime in time, then plant totally shut down like that. We are getting opportunity for 10 years. Again, getting good service and prompt time we are supplying. So we are getting further 10 years agreement with Mukund Limited. Our main company and is Mukund Limited, and BMM Ispat is now started just last 3 months back. And earlier we are supplying to JSW. Now JSW is set up their own plants, so they have a spare quantity. So now they are not purchasing from any outsource. Now we have planned there to make a automobiles kiln. Now we are manufacturing lime in just Indian kiln that have a capacity of maximum is 25 tons. Now we are going to plan a setup in BMM Ispat. We have getting almost a agreement with them, and we have put up one kiln that give production of 300 metric tons per day. Some steel plant is coming that sector like SRR Metallic. They are also the lime, the same steel plant. They are manufacturing pig iron. There is Kirloskar Ferrous is there. They are taking lime but very small quantity. So total our base is limestone. We have mines that Mantri is in Lokapur. Is look after our. They have 7 kilns in Lokapur, and we have now own mines. That is the best thing for any lime industry. That if they have own mines, then we are getting limestone and making it products. Lime is required in paper industries, chemical industries, and most our customer is steel plants. And Hospet is totally steel weld, iron ore exports. We are doing some trading in iron ore also, but now it's totally banned. and it is only for they are giving who is consumed and is auctioned by only Karnataka government. Right.
I got a textile manufacturing unit there. We mainly produce white terry towels and export it to European countries like France, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands. Around 8 to 9 countries we are supplying. We are getting the export house certification from Government of India. Nearly 700 people are working in our company. My son is textile engineer and he is also working with me. So it's growing and quite big opportunities are there in our field. Thank you.
What is the name? What is the name of the event?
Marda Impex. Solapur.
Thank you. Neosym Industry Limited. This is a part of CK Birla group of companies. We are into manufacturing of iron castings, and I would like to network with people who will be supplying products relating to foundry. Thank you.
मैं राजेश डागा नांदुरा से आया हूँ और मैं दाल मिल चलाता हूँ एक छोटा। मेरे यूनिट का कैपेसिटी वैसे 100 टन का है और डेली में हम 50 क्विंटल तक वहाँ क्रशिंग करते हैं। वहाँ लोकल में ही माल मिल जाता है, लेकिन कैपेसिटी छोटा होने से फंड थोड़ा कम होने की वजह से हम ज़्यादा उसको यूनिट को बढ़ा नहीं पा रहे हैं अभी। तो फंड का जैसे ही हम करने वाले हैं तो उसके बाद हम उसको थोड़ा एक्सपांड करने वाले हैं। तो अभी मैं तुअर दाल और चना दाल बनाता हूँ। ओके।
Good evening, everybody. Myself Nitin Somani from Skyline Distributors, Aurangabad. Basically, I am an industrial supplier, and I am dealing in Ingersoll Rand compressors, Mathur plant pumps, Bond Figlioli gearbox, and all Mercury pneumatics, all engineering products. So our customers are Bajaj Auto, Garware, Grooves, Endurance, so many customers. My basic intention to come this meet is to see the opportunity of extension of our branch to respected areas, or to get the dealership of a product, say lime or whatever it may be, to our area. So that interaction or that sort of hand in hand joint operation can be done. That is my intention for this meet. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं तोषनीवाल दीपक प्रॉपर औरंगाबाद से। स्मॉल स्केल यूनिट है फेमस एंड एसएस फैब्रिकेशन का औरंगाबाद में ही 40-45 लोगों का टोटल स्टाफ है। वी यूज्ड टू वर्क ऑल ओवर इंडिया फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ एमएस एंड एसएस फैब्रिकेशन। आवर स्पेशल लाइन इज मोटराइज्ड ऑटोमेशन ऑफ शटर्स एंड गेट्स एंड आवर एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन महाराष्ट्र पुणे में हमारा क्लाइंट है। जनरल मोटर्स वी आर वर्किंग फॉर देम, then Pimpri, Chakan, these are our clients. Aurangabad also. Thank you.
Material handling system बना देंगे?
Yes, material handling also is our key product. I am having the brochures. I will circulate later. Yes.
Thank you.
I work as a AVP at Choice Capital Advisors Private Limited. We are an investment banking firm. We cater to all the companies for capital raising in form of debt and equity and mergers acquisitions. We also merchant bankers, so we help companies in raising funds through IPOs in capital markets or capital market restructuring. I look forward to connect with you all for raising capital for your capital raising requirements.
Hello, I'm Radhesham Bhattar from Primol Industries. We are into manufacturing of plastic precision components. We are catering to automobile, electrical, electronic industry, textile industry, and printing and packaging machinery. Wherever the plastic components are there, precision with close tolerances, engineering plastic components we are manufacturing. Our clients are SKF India Limited, Retail India Private Limited, Box India Private Limited, Faber India Private Limited, and Minda Industries Limited. So I am looking for networking. Whoever requires plastic precision components, they can contact me. I will give my mobile number to BISCOM, Ms. MIG. Thank you.
You located?
Location in Pune only, on Srinagar Road. I got my factory. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everybody. I am Vasudev Malu from Executive Vice President, Supreme Industries Limited. It's a Taparia Group company. And I am handling industrial product portfolio, which constitutes 7 plants. And we supply to automotive companies, consumer electronics, appliances, Major customers being Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Volkswagen, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra. In appliances, Samsung, Daikin, Panasonic, Videocon. These are our clients. I am here for getting to know if anybody requires plastic solutions, plastic products. We supply, like for example in CK Birla Group, we supply to Orient Electricals ready full-fledged air coolers, and they market it. Actually manufacture, we manufacture it. Okay, thank you.
Where is your plant?
We are converting plastic into products. We are, yeah, we have painting facilities, sub-assembly facilities, ultrasonic welding, vibration welding, all assembly facilities.
Where is plant?
We have, see, as a company we have 25 plants, but my division, industrial product division, has got 7 plants. One is in Pune, 2 in north, 2 in south, and then in West Bengal, 1 plant is there in Durgapur.
Registered office?
Registered office is Mumbai. It's a 4,500 crore company, and my division is a 600 crore division.
नमस्ते, श्याम राठी फ्रॉम सूरत। हमारे वहाँ पे एक ही बिजनेस है टेक्सटाइल में, डाइंग हाउस, प्रोसेस हाउस है, और दूसरा बिजनेस अभी जयपुर में शुरू किया एलईडी लाइट का। तो यहाँ नेटवर्किंग में मैं इसलिए यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस होना चाहता हूँ। जो भी इंडस्ट्रियल सप्लायर है, जो अभी भाई साहब सोमानी ने बताया था, तो एलईडी लाइट में हम लोग अभी गवर्नमेंट का काम कर रहे थे, अभी इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट बनाने शुरू किए हैं। सूरत वगैरह, सूरत और गुजरात में काफ़ी सेटअप कर लिया है। बाकी डाइंग हाउस में हमारा जॉब का काम आता है, जिसमें साड़ी जो ड्रेस मटेरियल बनाते हैं, उसमें आगे हम गारमेंट में जाने का विचार कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू। क्या एलईडी में इंपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, ओसराम की एलईडी आती है, बाकी कंपोनेंट्स हम खुद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं जयपुर में।
साइज क्या है एलईडी का?
साइज अभी स्ट्रीट लाइट में जो गवर्नमेंट में सप्लाई कर रहे थे ना, उसमें हमने राजस्थान में जयपुर, भीलवाड़ा सब जगह स्ट्रीट लाइट चेंज की है। अभी नासिक में भी हमको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला 3 CR का, सब 250 वाट की, 40, 60 सब टोटल बनाते हैं। और अभी इंडस्ट्रियल में जो जा रहे हैं उसमें 20, 40, 60, 80 जैसा रिक्वायरमेंट है। नहीं, मेरा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है खुद का। हाँ, खुद का लाइट सिस्का तो अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, एडवर्टाइज में बड़ा हो गया है। हम लोग 4-5 साल से, 5 साल से। थैंक यू।
Jai Shri Krishna everyone. Myself Mitesh Daga, proper from Aurangabad. From last 15 years I am in Pune. So I started my own placement consultancy. मैं डिफरेंट कंपनीज में नॉन IT सेक्टर में स्टाफ प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। तो मेरा यहाँ आने का पर्पज़ वही है कि जिन भी लोगों को स्टाफ की रिक्वायरमेंट है, दे कैन अप्रोच टू मी, आई विल प्रोवाइड देम स्टाफ। मैं पैन इंडिया लेवल पे स्टाफ प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, स्किल्ड स्टाफ प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, अनस्किल्ड में मैं डीलिंग करता हूँ।
Good evening, this is Vikas Maheshwari. I am from Suzlon. I had a corporate treasury of Suzlon. And now I am just here. So all of successful people are here. So I thought if anyone is interested in buying wind turbines, we are certainly there.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Raghav Lakotia. I'm from AGP Yarns. We trade in all kinds of yarns all across India. We are based out of Coimbatore and have offices in Bombay, Delhi, Noida and Jaipur. I personally head the Bombay branch and I look after the sales in Bhiwandi. I'm here to look towards raising business opportunities and supplying yarn as well as procuring yarn. And we have just set up a manufacturing plant in Coimbatore. So I'm looking towards expanding opportunities there also. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Myself Manoj Jawar. We are having a gauges manufacturing unit in Pune. Setup. We are dealing in this industry for last 20 years, and we are giving the services to all type of automobile industries, aeronautical industries, defense sectors. So this is
Which sort of gauges?
fixed type of gauges, thread gauges, plug gauges and all those things.
What is the name of the company?
Zawar Gauges and Tools.
Networking method.
Good evening, everybody. I am Ashwin Chandak. I have a company called as MSC Enterprises. I have another company which is Emerging Technologies. We deal with defense, and we are manufacturing defense equipments. My specialty is into rocket propulsions and warheads. One of my important projects that we have executed is development of an anti-submarine rocket for Indian Navy. My base customers are DRDO as well as ordnance factories. I want to venture with ISRO as well as Baba Atomic Research Center. If somebody has any contact over there, please we can collaborate. We are setting up a plant for cotton processing. Some of the textile people can help me out with this. I want to set up a bleach cotton linter plant. So this will be a cotton linter bleaching process, and I want to source cotton linters of 2 mm to 6 mm length. Somebody, if you can help me out with that also in sourcing the raw material. Thank you.
Gentlemen, one question from myself. I wanted to ask you why this is, I mean, cotton and one side you
Cotton, bleach cotton linter is used by defense.
Okay.
It's a basic raw material to manufacture explosive. It's a highly explosive material. And after the cotton is removed from the seed, remaining cotton on the seed is called as linter.
Something called technical term.
Yeah, it's a technical thing, and we want that linter. So there are very few people who are manufacturing, who are actually extracting linter from that seed. So if somebody has any source, please let me know.
Good evening, friends. I'm Gaurav Dhut from Industrial Packers. We are a Pune-based company into packaging and mainly into heavy-duty packaging. So we cater to a lot of auto parts, automobile manufacturers like casting companies, forging companies. We do cater to new sim industries also. What we are growing in the last 1 year is we are providing total packaging solutions, wherein right from designing the packaging, taking a 3D model of the part we manufacture, designing the entire packaging, optimizing the container filling for the customer, performing the activity of packaging, filling up the containers. So total end-to-end solutions is what we are seeing. And recently we started catering to the defense sector. So wherein we are packaging, India is now indigenously manufacturing barrels for Arjun tank. So we are doing the total packaging what is required for that. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Dhruv Mohta from Jalgaon and Pune. Actually, this turned out to be a good gathering. Manufacturing and textiles, I'm interested in both. We are basically flour millers based out of Jalgaon. We are making atta, maida, rava suji, supplying it to Nestle, Gits, Britannia, all the companies here. And so we have a total combined capacity of about 600 tons a day. And apart from that, we have just recently started exporting cloth to Africa and various African countries. So the purpose of being here being primarily cloth and where I could source it from, the processing bit, the day cloth, all of that. And I think I hope this helps me do that.
Good evening, I am Shekhar Chandak from Chennai, M Circle Chennai 1. Basically, I am a chartered accountant. I am not into practice, I am having my own business of paper trading and import-export. We import from China, Indonesia, and export to a few countries in Africa. And we trade in paper in Chennai and Bangalore. I am here with my friend Jagdish, he is into garments. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Thanks, Shekhar, for introducing me. I am Jagdish Sharda, native of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Well settled in Chennai, last 25 years. I started my career with garments. एक ही काम आता है, नए कपड़े खरीदना, उसको काटना, उसको जोड़ना और डबल भाव में बेचना और आपकी शान बनना. We are well known in this field for last 20 years. I started my career with 40 garments a day. Today we produce 7,000 garments a day. We are well known in South India and now we started in Eastern. We are a complete menswear brand. It's called Wenfield. Venfield. Wenfield is quite known in South India We make smart dress code. We have more than 44 exclusive outlets, and we deal with more than 750 stores. Anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country, you are most welcome. Our hands are very open. Field of 20 years experience, celebration, and true colors of India, we know very well. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am Amit, accompanied by my elder brother Vikas. We are basically from the city of Jaipur and into the business of logistics. We have a fleet size of almost 40 odd vehicles and basically only associated with manufacturing industries. We are majorly associated with steel industry and automobile industry, and we are well-known company with regard to steel and bearing industries. And we are always looking for opportunities wherein we can work with good large enterprises, wherein we can do bulk logistics and give them very good services. We are very much technologically advanced company, having all fleet size, having all fleet with GPS enabled systems. So this is a very professional driven company. I am myself MBA in finance, and my senior brother, he is a chartered accountant. So we are looking for opportunities wherein we can get associated with all good companies, connecting Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Thank you. SV Carriers Private Limited. SV Carriers Private Limited. SV. Shrevenai. Thank you.
नमस्ते, जय श्री कृष्ण। मैं आकाश दहाड़ पुणे से ही हूँ। Since last 17 years, we are into manufacturing of the stitched products. Stitched products doesn't mean we are basically in corporate stitching. We manufacture for the automobile industries, that is seat covers for 2-wheelers, for 4-wheelers. Then we are also into, we have extended our product range into the bags, where we manufacture the bags. It is all sort of bags, that is sleeping bags mainly used for tents or campings, bin bags mainly used for sittings. So these are our products. We also manufacture the canopies, auto hood canopies. That is our product. So we are having 2 plants. One is in Saraswati and one is in Nagar. And we are having small exports, that's in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, Egypt. These are our export countries where we export the product. We are here for all the horizontal line of products are set. Now we want to grow vertically. So we are looking for the suppliers, companies like say BIP or Samsonite who need bags manufactured from us. So such type of companies who want these our products to be outsourced and to be manufactured at our end, we are looking for such companies. So that's our intention for Pune.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen. Lalit Lahoti. I do have a company called Mandar Pumps and Engineering Company. We are in manufacturing of pneumatic pumps, pneumatic industrial pumps. It's used for chemical transfer, where electrical pumps are not acceptable because of fire hazards, where petrochemicals or solvents are going to be handled, some acid application. There they are using pneumatic pumps. We have pneumatic pumps, barrel pumps, high viscous pump. Recently we have supplied pumps for shaker handling also. So like that we have a range of products. Then we have another line that is a Mandar industrial rubber products, wherein we are manufacturing industrial rubber products like gaskets, O-ring, anti-vibration pad. So all the items required for industries. So we are looking for a trader, distributor, and of course the end users also. So look forward to our business. Thank you.
जय श्री कृष्ण। मैं प्रहलाद लड्ढा पुणे से ही हूँ। गोकुल ट्रेडर्स नाम से मेरी ट्रेडिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और मेरा ये 30वां साल चल रहा है फर्म का। मैं बेसिकली कोई भी आइटम मैं इंडस्ट्री रिलेटेड ट्रेड कर सकता हूँ और करता हूँ। जेसीबी प्लांट 2 में टॉवर एसी से लेकर उनकी लाइन जहाँ पे ट्रॉली पे असेंबली होती है वहां तक पूरा हमने काम करवा के दिया है। इवन साइट पे जाकर कोई सजेशन देना है तो थोड़ी बहुत अपनी सूझबूझ वापर के हम लोग उनके साथ कोऑपरेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। और अभी फिलहाल हमने अपना कंसंट्रेशन पूरा लैब इक्विपमेंट्स और प्रिसीजन मेजरिंग इक्विपमेंट्स उसके ऊपर फोकस किया है, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत बन रहे हैं लेकिन एंड पर उसकी क्वालिटी आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आज भी लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं और हम लोग उसके ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो क्वालिटी बन के आना चाहिए, जिसके ऊपर आज टेल्को वाले सब एम्फसाइज करते हैं कि भाई आपके शॉप फ्लोर पे या स्टैंडर्ड रूम में देयर मस्ट बी गुड इक्विपमेंट्स एंड गुड क्वालिटी मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स। एंड वी आर प्राउड टू से कि भाई भारत में भी बहुत अच्छी चीजें बनती हैं और हम लोग उसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कंपेयर टू इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स। ये हमारी कोशिश है। हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि भाई इंस्टेड ऑफ मेक इन इंडिया गो अहेड और मेड इन इंडिया।
मैं गिरधर झंवर चीन से आया हूँ। चीन में शंघाई के पास ईवू नाम की एक जगह है जो चीन में एक अपने आप में अजूबा है और शायद दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डिपार्टमेंटल मार्केट बोल सकते हैं, जो कि होलसेल मार्केट है। और उसके अलावा हम लोग चाइना से सभी तरह की सोर्सिंग करते हैं। एज अगेंस्ट मेक इन इंडिया वी सप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट्स टू मेक इन इंडिया। मेड इन इंडिया के लिए जो भी रॉ मटेरियल्स मशीनरी चाहिए होती है वो अभी दूसरे देशों से ही आती है और चीन उसमें सबसे अग्रणी है। और मैं नहीं समझता कि अगले 10-20 साल तक चीन को कोई छू भी सकेगा। मेरी कंपनी का नाम चाइना में है कॉमडेक इंडस्ट्रीज और साइनो ट्रेड इंटरनेशनल, और इंडिया में हम लोग कलकत्ता से हैं। भारमल चंपालाल नाम पड़ता है।
सर आप कितने साल से चाइना में?
जी मैं 14 साल से चाइना में हूँ, सन 2002 से। थैंक यू।
जय श्री कृष्ण। मैं अरुण बाहेती हूँ, राजस्थान बीकानेर से, बट 1977 से दिल्ली, फिर 96 से दुबई, 99 से सिंगापुर। अभी हमारा इंडिया में और सिंगापुर में गोल्डन टच के नाम से गोल्ड आर्ट गिफ्ट का काम है। We do corporate gifting, we do weddings, we do wholesales. We sell to almost 500 jewelers in India. And Kalyan Jewelers is also one of our customers. So ये हमारी स्पेशलिटी है। सिंगापुर में मैं 6 महीना सिंगापुर रहता हूँ, बाकी टाइम ट्रैवलिंग रहती है इंडिया और बाहर।
Just a startup with manufacturing, or not a large scale one, but small scale manufacturing in terms of laser cut stuff for designer diaries, and also lots of other articles in terms of clocks and similar stuff. So this all for corporate gifting and also personal gift articles. Yeah, thank you.
At the outset, let me welcome each one of you. See, my name is Nagesh Shetty. I am the Assistant General Manager at State Bank of India, Industrial Finance Bank. And it is very nice to see. I think it was for textile and manufacturing. This room is meant for that. And I see lots of people, say, from the trading to some of them for staffing, and some of them they are also into consulting, financial consulting, and some of them from abroad also they have come. I welcome them all, and all are needed in the business. One cannot avoid each other. So let us, network here. And anything from the bank side, anyone needs anything or any clarification, whatever is with us, we will always be open for discussion. So let us, what is to be done, sir? We shall keep it open.
Yeah, certainly. Since now we have heard each and every one about the specialty that they are involved with, Obviously, now we know if we want to network or connect with somebody else. So I would officially now allow the networking session on, so that we can get in touch with each other and fulfill our needs as the case may be. Thank you very much.
We can exchange our cards.
Yeah. Whatever wants to interact with.
I welcome. Same time, I'm first time in Pune. Anybody who's in trading, who's in retailing, we really want to have acid testing. We welcome you. If anybody like to come Chennai, we'll take care of convenience. We'll take care of all your stay in comfort. Please visit Chennai. We will have business opportunity. I'm sure once you visit us and you see our sample and our startups, we will associate. That's my confidence. I request everyone, please keep your open mind and hands. Please forward come Chennai and associate with us. Anybody, any type of association garments, we welcome sir. Thank you.
We can, of course, at a very higher level, we can talk, but let us try to connect within ourselves.
What I suggest right now is we are going a bit away and far.
We are here to
as far as we all people concerned over here, sitting over here, let us do one thing, at least if not other thing, we have email ID of each other, let us exchange our cards. Okay, we know area of interest of each and every person. So at least have them in your directory and you can connect them at least one-to-one on mail or maybe on some other way. And then we can start this small discussion or some small interaction. Okay, so whenever we have such kind of app or we have some Facebook kind of thing, there we can anyway connect with each other. And second thing, there could be the things like suppose we don't have any business right now. Suppose you are architect and I have no business with you right now maybe, but that doesn't make any issue. I mean, we should get connected. That's a bigger idea. Okay, business होगा नहीं होगा जो होगा वो होगा, कोई इशू नहीं उसमें. हम लोग साथ में हैं, एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करना चाहिए और let us not evaluate everything in terms of the advantage, disadvantage.
I would say it can be like right now, supposing you have something in mind, as you said कि एक होता है कि business आगे हो सकता है या project can pop out later on, and then something can be like today I have a need maybe for a vendor, for a supplier, for a contractor, or maybe a finance guy. So means that immediately, if supposing we can close something, it's well and good, or otherwise.
Everybody knows what like you are doing.
I think few members came late, so maybe introduce.
Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Yogesh Mandani. We are into business of steel and fertilizers. We manufacture EMT bars, fertilizers and pesticides, seeds. This is our basic family business. From last 2 to 3 years, we are into the steel, and we have largest producing, one of the largest capacity of Maharashtra. We are an integrated plant at Nagpur, Wardha, place called Wardha, and we have marketing throughout Maharashtra. One thing, and I am also a president for Steel Manufacturers Association Maharashtra. So it was very nice, and one thing really which attracted me in today's interaction was with the support of, see, my industry, a steel industry, you all know guys, right now it's going through a very hard phase. But to come out of this hard phase, today I got a very innovative sort of ideas and some one-to-one interaction with sharing of cards, sharing of the mobile numbers. Really, I got some new market. So I really appreciate, and thanks to Lakodia ji and the team. It was great and it was really nice to be a part of this. Thank you.
I am Rajkumar Jagatia. I am practicing chartered accountant and especially I am doing the practicing of the debt syndication. Basically, we are in the core sector, we are doing the syndication. We are based in Mumbai.
Just coming back to the connectivity, as some people told, we already have an M-Connect or something like that. But what I would like to suggest, why not we start in a smaller way, like MIG and M-Circle group.
whatever we have, and the people who have attended this conclave or BISCON.
The group is
or,
created already. It's already created and we people
Yes.
are joining.
Right
You
now,
can check
we
your
are
mail.
connected, we are forever connected now.
Okay.
We are part of this business.
MIG or all the delegates of
Yes,
BISCON.
yes. And I will request everybody to at least exchange the cards with each other. So that immediately we can do. Not anything else, so please.
मैं चाहता हूँ आप हमारा कोई फायदा उठाएं।
अब कैसा होता है देखो, आपके पास से होंगे ना, तो चार बात नहीं करेंगे हमसे।
हमारे पास नहीं है, जो वेलकम, लेकिन आप बेसिक सब ऐसा नहीं है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का पूरा इंप्रेशन दीजिए।
वो MIT से इंजीनियरिंग किया यहाँ से दोनों लड़के पुणे रहते थे।
I just want to have name. Just I am Sandeep Kote, Chief Manager at Honor Office Pune.
Good evening all. I am Mohit Jain, Relationship Manager at Industrial Finance Branch, Pimpri.
Yeah, good evening. I am Jitesh Palan, RME at IIT Branch, Pimpri.
Good evening, sir. Myself Nilesh Kumar Patil, Manager, ACB Pune.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nagesh. I am AGM, Industrial Finance Branch, Pimpri. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I'm Shalini Khanna, AGM Deccan Income.
I'm here, relationship manager from commercial branch.
Good evening everyone, I am Rahul Dolke, relationship manager Deccan Department.
Good evening all, I am Manoj Kalamkekar, I am AGM Erandona branch.
He is the hero. Without this, it was not possible. You have to welcome a big hand.
सबसे पहली बात यह है कि आपने हमारा एक छोटा सा मतलब सम्मान स्वीकार लिया, हमारी ओर से छोटी सी स्पॉन्सरशिप आपने स्वीकार की इतने बड़े ग्रुप में। मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ और आप सभी का निरंतर SBI में स्वागत ही रहेगा। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा भाई, आप तो गुरु नाम शोभते शिष्या, शिष्या नाम शोभते गुरु, उभय शोभते शालायाम, शालायाम शोभते पुरम। भाई आप तो इन सभी के गुरु हैं, सारे माहेश्वरी समाज के आपने सारा इकट्ठा किया और सुबह का भी हमने माहौल देखा आपका ली मेरिडियन, इट वॉज वेरी नाइस। और हम अपने SBI की ओर से आपको और तालियों की आपका स्वागत करते कि भाई ऐसा आयोजन आप भविष्य में भी करें। हम आपके साथ निरंतर रहेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी पूरी टीम।
Thank you. I have just requested for 6 moderators for SBI. I think I was so surprised. I was not knowing. It's I think 3 times. 18.
Yeah, you had a good time, sir.
My God. Give a big hands. Thank you very much. You have to make it big. So we'll come to the audit after 1 year.
निकालना भाई, मैं खड़ा और निकालना फोटो।
लाइन्स में आते रहो, बीच में भरते रहो, बीच में भरते रहो। छोटे पेपर हो गया। फोन करते रहो, हमने लगाता कल से I was never expected the way he spoken. अरे जबरदस्त
तगड़ा काम किया।
अरे कल इसको बहुत पैसा बढ़िया है। पहले बोल दिया बढ़िया, नहीं तो मुश्किल का हो जाएगा। क्या बोलेंगे?
हम लोग भी सबके तेरे भी है, मेरे भी है, अपन सबका है बाबा।
I would request all coordinators to come here.
यूटोनियन का करो यार, यूटोनियन एमपी ने रेल फोटो।
यूटोनियन ग्रुप प्रतीक का
हम दे रहे हैं। कैसे आगे बीच में?
संजय को लाओ। हाँ, दिलाक्षी को लाओ।
सृष्टि लखोटिया काम
तो ये सुना क्या आपने?
मैं जाऊँ भाभी, मैं जाऊँ।
हमारे यूटोनियंस को भी बुलाओ भाई।
आएंगे भाई, ये भी अकेले लेके जाएंगे।
मैं सृष्टि नोट लाउड
सृष्टि को दे रही है।
सृष्टि को तो क्लैप।
ये सब डेलीगेट्स का नाम एंड रियल डेडिकेशन।
आपने को पूछा वो सृष्टि का क्या हुआ? अभी तो टाइम है, रुक जाओ।
मैं एक नहीं, मैं 5:50 उठ गई और मैं नाम और रिसीट दिख रही होगी।
हाँ भाई तू भी आ। हाँ क्या? अरे कैसे?
हाँ लगाइए।
पहली बार मैंने कहीं मिल रही होते। प्लीज
ज्यादा ताली बजाओ भाई प्रतीक के लिए।
यो हो, थैंक यू भाभी।
दिन आया ना, क्या बात कर क्या रहा है? सृष्टि बोली पापा ये टेकन फुल बड़ा बर्डन चला गया। सी साइकोलॉजिकल आल्सो इफेक्ट।
करेक्ट। नहीं, he has been a great help to us also.
आज सूरत में मिल गया मेरे को।
Thank you for this opportunity, uncle. Most importantly.
तुम लोग
सर,
आगे नेक्स्ट
मिलियन को तो सर बगीचा मिलना चाहिए। एकदम नहीं सर, यस
मीना तो आ गया
सर, 1 एकड़ जमीन देना।
सेवा सिर्फ 3 फुट ऊपर के झाड़ तुम्हारे।
तू बिल्डर को पहचानता है?
वाह।
मनीष जी Thanks Manish जी. हमारी टीम को they have worked as a team. They deserve it.
पार्टी की, तो हमने 2 पार्टी बुक करी है,
अच्छा।
दादा बनने की कोशिश में और एक इसकी है.